Namaste. Welcome. So this is a quick tutorial on how you can breathe through the entry, holding and exiting a deep hip opener called the Kandasana. So the breath principle is harnessing all your energy, all your breath from the peripheries, from the outside towards the center of the body, from the hips all the way up. And then you do that in one go. When you inhale, you're going to collect everything towards the center as you rotate the legs, the bottom legs. And then from there, keep the breath rising up all the way to the top of the breath until the position is secured as you hold it. All right, and the exit is the same. All right, let's try that. Exhale it. All right, breathing in. Exhale. You may hold this one. Release any trapped spots in the shoulders. If you feel any rigid spots there, move the neck around. Yeah, but keep harnessing that energy from the sides, yeah, and then collect into the center, and then from the base of the hips, breathe in. So the goal is this position is for you to really harness the energy trapped down the hips towards the center. With the sucking breath out, you allow that breath to rise. All right, and then to release, the same, breathing in. All right, while the breath is rising up to the vertical, release the legs, and exhale when the legs go soft. Yeah, and then inhale, push away from the stretch, and then reset the hips, and then you work your next element. So that's Kandasana, breath, entry, holding and exiting the position. Namaste.